Imagine a world where the impossible becomes reality and human potential knows no bounds. Welcome to Extraordinary Humans, where we delve into the top 20 remarkable people whose talents and feats will leave you inspired and amazed. From Kim Peek's mind-boggling memory to Dean Karnazes' superhuman endurance, get ready to embark on a journey through the extraordinary. Number 20. Wim Hof, the Iceman. Wim Hof, famously known as the Iceman, has captivated the world with his ability to withstand extreme cold. He has climbed Mount Everest wearing nothing but shorts and shoes and holds multiple world records for ice bath endurance. Hof attributes his incredible feats to a specialized breathing technique that he developed, which he claims can help control the body's autonomic nervous system and immune response. His methods have sparked interest and research into the potential health benefits of cold exposure and breath control, making him a fascinating figure in the world of extreme human performance. Number 19. Ben Underwood. Ben Underwood, despite being completely blind, developed the remarkable ability to use echolocation to navigate his surroundings. By making clicking sounds with his tongue, Ben could interpret the echoes that bounced back from objects, allowing him to ride a bicycle, play basketball, and live a remarkably independent life. His story has inspired many and demonstrated the incredible adaptability of the human brain, showing that vision is not the only way to perceive and interact with the world. Number 18. Dean Karnazes. Dean Karnazes is an ultra-endurance athlete who defies the typical limits of human stamina. He has run 350 miles nonstop over 3 days and nights and completed 50 marathons in 50 states over 50 consecutive days. Karnazes' extraordinary endurance and mental resilience have earned him numerous records and accolades in the world of long-distance running. His ability to push beyond typical fatigue limits showcases the incredible potential of human endurance and determination. Number 17. Alain Robert, French Spider-Man. Alain Robert, known as the French Spider-Man, has gained fame for his daring and skillful climbs of some of the world's tallest skyscrapers without the use of safety equipment. From the Burj Khalifa in Dubai to the Eiffel Tower in Paris, Robert relies solely on his incredible grip strength and climbing ability. His fearless ascents, often performed without official permission, have made him a living legend in the world of urban climbing. Robert's extraordinary feats demonstrate the limits of human strength, agility, and courage. Number 16. Aleix Segura and Budimir Šobat. Aleix Segura and Budimir Šobat are world record holders for breath holding, showcasing extreme breath control and lung capacity. Segura held his breath for an astonishing 24 minutes and 3 seconds, while Šobat surpassed this with a time of 24 minutes and 33 seconds. Their incredible feats are achieved through rigorous training and breath-holding techniques, allowing them to remain underwater far beyond typical human limits. These achievements highlight the remarkable adaptability of the human body and the potential for extreme physiological endurance. Number 15. Stephen Wiltshire. Stephen Wiltshire is an artist with a photographic memory, capable of drawing entire cityscapes in detail after a single viewing. Born in London, Wiltshire was diagnosed with autism at a young age and began expressing himself through art. His talent for capturing detailed scenes from memory has made him famous worldwide. Wiltshire's drawings are incredibly precise, often including minute architectural details that most people would overlook. His extraordinary visual recall and artistic ability have earned him numerous accolades and a prominent place in the art world. Number 14. Concetta Antico. Concetta Antico is a tetrachromat, meaning she has 4 types of cone cells in her eyes, allowing her to see up to 100 million colors, far beyond the typical human range. This rare condition makes her world vibrantly unique, as she perceives colors in ways that others cannot even imagine. Antico is also an accomplished artist, and her paintings reflect her extraordinary color perception, often featuring vivid and intricate hues. Her ability provides a fascinating glimpse into the diversity of human vision and the remarkable ways our senses can vary. Number 13. Marilu Henner. Marilu Henner is one of the few people in the world with highly superior autobiographical memory, HSAM, a condition that allows her to remember almost every day of her life in precise detail. Known for her roles in television and film, Henner can recall specific dates and events with remarkable clarity. Her memory ability extends to recalling conversations, meals, and even the weather on particular days. Henner's extraordinary memory has been the subject of numerous interviews and studies, offering valuable insights into how memory works and the potential for exceptional autobiographical recall. Number 12. Natasha Demkina, X-Ray Girl. Natasha Demkina, often referred to as the X-Ray Girl, claims to have the ability to see inside human bodies to diagnose illnesses without medical equipment. Born in Russia, she began demonstrating her unusual talent at a young age, reportedly identifying medical conditions that eluded conventional diagnosis. Her abilities have been tested in controlled environments with mixed results, sparking both intrigue and skepticism in the medical community. Despite the controversy, Demkina's story remains a fascinating example of the potential for extraordinary human perception. Number 11. Daniel Tammet. Daniel Tammet is an autistic savant with extraordinary mathematical abilities and synesthesia, a condition where he perceives numbers with shapes, colors, and textures. Born in London, Tammet's exceptional skills became apparent at a young age. He set a European record by reciting the value of pi to 22.514 decimal places from memory. Tammet's abilities extend beyond mathematics. He can learn new languages in a matter of days and has written books that offer insights into his unique way of thinking. His remarkable talents have made him a subject of scientific study and a celebrated author, shedding light on the incredible potential of the human brain. Number 10. Michel Lotito, Monsieur Mange-Tout. Michel Lotito, famously known as Monsieur Mange-Tout, Mr. Eat-All, had an extraordinary ability to consume indigestible objects. Diagnosed with a condition called pica, which causes cravings for non-food items, Lotito began eating metal, glass, and rubber from a young age. Over his lifetime, he famously consumed an entire Cessna 150 airplane, ingesting it piece by piece over 2 years. Lotito's stomach lining and intestinal walls were unusually thick, allowing him to digest materials that would be harmful to others. His unique digestive system and remarkable eating feats earned him a place in the annals of unusual human abilities, showcasing the extreme adaptability of the human body. Number 9. Isao Machii. Isao Machii, a modern-day samurai, is renowned for his incredible swordsmanship. He holds multiple world records for his precision and speed, including slicing a BB pellet in midair. Machii's skills are a blend of traditional samurai techniques and rigorous modern training. His remarkable reflexes and hand-eye coordination allow him to perform feats that seem almost superhuman. Demonstrations of his sword skills captivate audiences around the world, showcasing not only his personal mastery, but also the enduring legacy of samurai, discipline, and training. Number 8. Kevin Richardson, Lion Whisperer. Kevin Richardson, often called the Lion Whisperer, has an extraordinary ability to communicate and bond with lions and other large predators. Unlike typical animal handlers who rely on cages and restraints, Richardson interacts with these majestic animals through trust and understanding. He has spent years studying lion behavior and psychology, which allows him to form deep, affectionate bonds with them. Richardson's unique approach has been documented in numerous films and documentaries, shedding light on the potential for a harmonious relationship between humans and wildlife. His work emphasizes the importance of conservation and the deep connections that can be formed through mutual respect and understanding. Number 7. Rajmohan Nair, Electric Man. Rajmohan Nair, known as the Electric Man, possesses an extraordinary ability to withstand large amounts of electricity passing through his body. Unlike typical humans, who can only tolerate a small electric current, Nair can endure up to 30 times more without suffering any harm. His unique physiology allows him to conduct electricity without experiencing the usual adverse effects. Scientists have studied Nair to understand how his body resists electric shock, but his remarkable resilience remains partly a mystery. His demonstrations, where he powers light bulbs and other devices with his body, continue to fascinate and astonish audiences, showcasing the exceptional capabilities of human biology. Number 6. Kenny Mohammed, the Human Orchestra. Kenny Mohammed, known as the Human Orchestra, is a beatboxer with the incredible ability to create intricate rhythms and vocal sound effects that mimic a full band. His talent for producing a wide range of sounds with just his voice has earned him international acclaim and the fitting title of the Human Orchestra. Mohammed's performances are a testament to the versatility and creativity of the human vocal cords, captivating audiences with the complexity and precision of his beatboxing skills. Number 5. Daniel Kish. Daniel Kish, blind since infancy due to retinal cancer, developed a remarkable ability to navigate using echolocation. By making clicking sounds with his tongue and interpreting the returning echoes, Kish can see his surroundings with astonishing accuracy. He rides bicycles, hikes, and even explores new environments with confidence. Kish has not only mastered this skill for himself, but also dedicated his life to teaching others, including children, to use echolocation. His story is a testament to human adaptability and the brain's capacity to develop new ways to interact with the world, defying conventional limitations of blindness and empowering others to achieve independence. Number 4. Lydia Fairchild, genetic chimera. Lydia Fairchild's life took a dramatic turn when she discovered she was a genetic chimera. During a routine DNA test for a custody case, it was revealed that her children did not match her DNA. Further investigation showed that Fairchild had 2 distinct sets of DNA resulting from 2 embryos merging early in her development. This rare condition, known as chimerism, meant that different parts of her body had different genetic makeups. Fairchild's case provides a fascinating glimpse into the complexities of human genetics and challenges our understanding of genetic identity. Her story underscores the mysteries that still exist within our own biology. Number 3. Tom Cridland, Zamora the Torture King. Tom Cridland, better known as Zamora the Torture King, is renowned for his ability to endure extreme pain. Growing up fascinated by magic and sideshow acts, Cridland began performing stunts that involved enduring physical harm. His acts include skewering various body parts with needles, fire-eating, and enduring electrical shocks. Cridland has developed a high tolerance for pain and a deep understanding of human anatomy, allowing him to control his body's response to injury. His performances, which push the boundaries of human endurance, continue to amaze audiences worldwide and highlight the extraordinary limits of pain tolerance. Number 2. Shakuntala Devi, human calculator. Shakuntala Devi, famously known as the human calculator, astounded the world with her extraordinary mental calculation abilities. Born in India, Devi's talent for mathematics was evident from a young age. She could solve complex arithmetic problems without any aids, performing calculations faster than a computer. In 1980, she set a world record by correctly multiplying 2 13-digit numbers in just 28 seconds. Devi's remarkable skills were not limited to numbers. She also authored several books on mathematics and astrology. Her exceptional computational abilities earned her international fame and showcased the astounding capabilities of the human mind in the realm of mathematics. Number 1. Kim Peek. Kim Peek, the real-life inspiration for the character in the movie Rain Man, possessed an extraordinary memory. Born with developmental disabilities, Peek's brain was structured differently, allowing him to memorize vast amounts of information effortlessly. After just one reading, he could recall entire books, detailed maps, and complex numerical data. Peek's abilities extended beyond mere memory. He could also perform calendar calculations and recite historical facts with remarkable accuracy. Despite his social and motor challenges, Peek's incredible mind made him a scientific study subject, highlighting the human brain's untapped potential and inspiring many with his unique talents. That wraps up our adventure through some of the world's most extraordinary humans. If you enjoyed discovering these unique individuals with us, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating lists and in-depth explorations across a wide range of topics. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to explore more in our next video.